Welcome to the assembly video for your iGo2 portable oxygen concentrator. First, let's unzip the carrying case and remove the iGo2. Next, let's remove the battery from the packaging. Now, let's insert the battery into the battery bay. Remember, before using your iGo2 on battery power for the first time, the battery needs to be fully charged. To charge the iGo2 battery, simply attach the power supply to the iGo2 and plug the unit into a wall outlet or car charger using the appropriate power cord. Next, find the oxygen outlet on the iGo2 and connect the cannula to the fitting. Ensure this is tightly fit on the outlet. Attach the shoulder strap to the carrying case by clipping it to the D-rings on each side. The iGo2 is now ready to use. Thank you for choosing Drive to Vilbus Healthcare. Please refer to your owner's manual for additional help or contact our representative at